Hello everyone, let's start solving the today's lead code daily challenge question. So the question is maximum score after splitting a string. So given a string s of zeros and 1, return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substring, that is left substring and right substring. The score after splitting a string is the number of zeros in the left substring plus number of ones in the right substring. Okay, so here the string s is given 0 1 1 1 0 1. So if we split here, so what is our left is 0 and right is this. So how many zeros are on the left is 1, and how many ones are there in the right is 4. Okay, so the total is 5. Again, if we split in this here in for this string, so we'll get a left at 0 1. How many zeros are there? Only one. And in the right, how many ones are there? Three ones are there. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Similarly, we have to find the scores of each possible ways of splitting s, and then we have to return what maximum. Okay, so here in this example only, example also, you can see here the answer is 2 plus 3 is 5, so 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so what will be the brute force? You can use the for loops and two for loops. Okay, nested one. Okay, one will be iterating over this, and one will be like uh, find these zeros in the left and right. Okay, so but that will give a more, like it will take more time. So we will just jump into the optimized solution. Okay, because brute force anyway is will not give a good time complexity, so we are jumping and we are going to write a code with the time complexity O of n. Okay, so let's write the code. What we can do is, you need the concept of prefix, right? If you don't if you are not aware of this concept, or if you are just a beginner in this concept, please watch my playlist, that is prefix sum. I have created and uploaded videos on that with the questions which has prefix sum concept applied on it. Okay, so let's how we can do here. Is, let's say from left what we want to count is 0, from right we want to count the 1. So if you know, okay, here in this example, if we say 0 1 1 1 0 1, and I know number of ones, how many number of ones are there is 4 in total. Okay, and then when I move forward, I'll get number of zeros and I know the number of ones. So on the right, I know 4 are there, on the left is 0. If I go here, okay, so if I split here and I'll get 1 here, okay, I will just reduce it to 3. That means this one, out of total ones, only one is in my left side, so I will just decrement because I want to calculate what total number of ones on the right side. Okay, on the right string, so I will get total number of ones, and also I'll get total number of zeros from the left if we calculate. So total we have to just add and take the maximum one. This is the simple solution. Okay, so let's start coding. Is what we want int count 0 is equal to 0, int count 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now what we want another one is answer is 0 initially. For instead of taking 0, we can take a 0 also. Okay, because the sum will be 0 only. Or you can take integer dot main value also. Okay, so int I is equal to 0 to I less than what, less than s dot length minus 1 I plus plus. Okay, so basically here why we did this is, how many, if the length of string is 6, how many cuts we can do is 1 2 3 4 and only 5. So that is why we are doing this. Okay, now if my s dot char at I is equal to 1, that means I want to decrement this count to 1. And if else, okay, else it will be 0 because it's a binary string only. So count 0 plus plus. But we missed one thing, we want to count 1, right? So for that we have to traverse this thing, is I less than s dot length I plus plus, and I will do this thing. Okay, here I'm to do the increment. So first you have to find total number of ones in our string, and then we'll do this, and at the end answer is equal to mat dot max of answer comma what count 0 plus count 1, and at the end we have to return answer. Okay, so let's run this. Yeah, you can say accepted. Let's submit this. So in this way you can make use of a prefix concept. You can see our solution got accepted. To calculate this, before this solution you can like think of prefix array. Okay, we will find the prefix array, suffix array, and then we can sum both, that is number of zeros on the left and right, in that way. And this is the optimized version of that, because we don't need an array to be stored, because we are checking at that point only, the values at that point only. If we want a value from like previous value, next value and all, then we can make use of this array. Okay, so if you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you so much.